give up on the play.
It's just too big and too strong.
Monsayak, the crossover against Panelo. The fake. The basket is good for Rick Monsayak. Now to Michael Homo against Gorea. Down to 3. Peralta. Durante puts it up. Rattles it in to beat the buzzer. Basket.
Fake handoff to face up for Renon.
Monsayak. Nilayuan. Pasok pa din. Di nawala yung balanse.
Ganda.
Puntot eh.
Oh, there's no one there to help out. Yung last line, nawala.
CJ Francisco, this time he makes a three-pointer. The first one for Carlos Lap.
Baby, that shot.
CJ Francisco. Back to a 12-point deficit. As Mante gets blocked. Lapira na naman. Going strong. 240. Peralta. Ganda ng tapik ni Escalante pero papunta kay Peralta.
Kala ko lalabas na naman for Jericho Peralta.
Elo puts it up. Rebound Durante. Last 2 minutes approaching. Durante on the move. Daryl Durante. Basket and one.
There's a
Ngayon ang mga naka-asul. Jericho Peralta. Pressure-packed free throws here for Peralta. First one is in. Also the second. 72-60.
defensive stand, makukuhanan kayong aksidente. Guarino getting that short jumper to go.
Peralta agad namang binawi. Without Carlos Lapira, without Mark Reyes, penalty na ang Olivares. Francisco, quick trigger!
Watch this.
Nasa penalty na ang Olivares. Lapira, spinning against Guarino. Lapira, oh! He ties the game! Pambihira.
Ayaw magpatalo ng AIMS and you like to see that. You like
Lapira gives another possession to Ames and CJ or Daryl Durante extends the lead. Agustin Gorea on the line, missing the first but making the second.
2-point lead for AIMS.
CJ Francisco, oh, pumatak sa kanya yung bola. Last 2 minutes na naman tayo. Transition. Short. Agustin Gorea extends the lead back to 4. Jericho, the team captain, gets doubled. Nowhere to go. Escapes off the glass.
Splitting.
Lead once again for AIMS. Gorea, hinagis na lang, pumasok pa.
Taking it. Indeed, great day for basketball.
Peralta for the tie. Can't get it to go. Peralta na naman. Bingo!
He saw that open lane.
Peralta on the move. Jericho. Peralta! Ties the game. Patrick Panelo. This game will blow up in social media, coach. Triple overtime in a collegiate game as Agustin Gorea spins. There you go, Francisco. And CJ Francisco regains the lead. Jericho puts it up. Bang! 10 seconds remaining. Peralta. Off the glass. The team cap. Vina with the leather. Peralta from way out. Bullseye! Defy
Shot big shot after big shot in this ball
And
game.
the
All
first
net.
one is in. No timeouts left for Oliva. JD Odvina. Now Peralta. And there's a foul. 3 seconds or 4 seconds almost. Can you believe this one?
We are experiencing it, so yes, I do believe this one.
If you told me earlier that we will have a game with yes, Blue Sharks have completed the 21-point comeback.
Coming back.